Did you know that even the biggest companies can stumble? Even companies as successful as Starbucks. In Onward, Howard Schultz takes us behind the scenes of the iconic coffee giant. He shares the raw and honest story of how Starbucks faced a crisis that threatened its very existence. This isn't just a business story. It's a story about courage, resilience, and the power of human connection. Think about a time you faced a setback. Maybe you failed a test, didn't make the team, or had a fight with a friend. It's not easy to bounce back from those moments. Now imagine facing a challenge that could impact millions of people. That's the weight Howard Schultz carried when he returned to lead Starbucks in 2008. The world watched as Starbucks, once a symbol of warmth and community, started to lose its way. Profits dipped, stores closed, and the company's soul seemed to be fading. It was a wake-up call, a reminder that even the most beloved brands are not invincible. Onward is a journey of introspection and transformation. It's about recognizing when to change course and having the courage to do so, even when it's difficult. Schultz doesn't shy away from the harsh realities Starbucks faced. He talks openly about the mistakes that were made. The company had grown too fast, losing sight of the values that made it special. The customer experience suffered. The very essence of Starbucks was fading. It was a painful realization for Schultz, who had poured his heart and soul into building the company. The decision to return as CEO wasn't easy. Schultz knew he was stepping back into a company in crisis, but he also knew that Starbucks wasn't just a business to him. It was his life's work, a company built on a foundation of human connection and a passion for coffee. He felt a deep responsibility to the employees and customers who had made Starbucks a global phenomenon. Schultz's return wasn't about pointing fingers, it was about taking ownership and finding a path forward. He knew that change wouldn't be easy or quick. It would require bold decisions, a willingness to challenge the status quo, and a deep understanding of what made Starbucks special in the first place. Under Schultz's leadership, Starbucks embarked on a journey of reinvention. They closed underperforming stores. They invested in barista training, emphasizing the art of coffee making and the importance of customer connection. They introduced new products like the Pike Place Roast that reconnected customers with the authentic Starbucks experience. One of the most impactful changes was the decision to close all U.S. stores for an afternoon of barista training. This unprecedented move sent a powerful message. Starbucks was serious about quality and customer experience. It was a bold gamble, but it paid off. Customers noticed the difference and the company's reputation began to recover. The reinvention of Starbucks wasn't just about coffee, it was about rediscovering the company's soul. It was about creating a culture of warmth, belonging, and shared experiences. It was about reminding the world that Starbucks was more than just a coffee shop. It was a third place between home and work where people could connect and feel a sense of community. Before we continue, if you're enjoying the content, hit like and subscribe for more insightful summaries. Putting people first in a fast-paced world. Onward is a testament to the power of human connection. Schultz understood that people don't just come to Starbucks for the coffee. They come for the experience, the interaction with the baristas, and the sense of community they find within their local store. He recognized that employees are the heart and soul of the Starbucks experience. He championed initiatives to improve their lives, including offering healthcare benefits to part-time workers, a rarity in the retail industry. He believed that by investing in his employees, he was investing in the soul of the company. The story of Starbucks is a powerful reminder that success is about more than just profits and losses. It's about creating a company that values its employees, connects with its customers on a personal level, and makes a positive impact on the world. Onward to a sustainable and impactful future. Schultz challenges us to think beyond the bottom line. He shares his vision for a company that's socially responsible and ethically sourced. Starbucks became a leader in ethical sourcing practices, ensuring that farmers are paid fair prices for their beans. The company also embraced sustainability, implementing initiatives to reduce its environmental footprint. From energy-efficient stores to ethically sourced coffee, Starbucks demonstrated that a global corporation could be a force for good in the world. Schultz's vision extended beyond the environment. He believed in using Starbucks' platform to address social issues. The company launched initiatives to promote social justice, support veterans, and create opportunities for young people. A timeless story for dreamers and doers. Onward is more than just a business book. It's a story about the power of resilience, the importance of staying true to your values, and the impact one person can make. It's a story that resonates with anyone who has ever faced a challenge, doubted themselves, or dared to dream big. What started as a small coffee shop in Seattle has become a global phenomenon. Starbucks' journey is a testament to the power of human connection, the importance of innovation, and the unwavering belief in a better tomorrow. It's a story that inspires us to dream big, embrace change, and make a positive impact on the world, one cup of coffee at a time. We reached the end, but before you leave, let us know in the comments if you are going to read the book. Also join our community of passionate readers by simply subscribing to our channel, where your love for knowledge and great stories truly matters.